Typography is a crucial aspect of graphic design. It refers to the art and technique of arranging type to make them visually appealing and easily readable. In today's video, we will cover type terminology and rules to follow when designing with type. Type terminology. Font. Fonts are letters, numbers, and punctuation marks in the same point size in a particular type style. Typeface. A typeface is a family of letters using the same design, but varying in style, width, weight, and texture, such as bold, italic, condensed, etc. Display text. Display text is large type used for titles, headlines, pull quotes, and other eye-catching elements. Body text. Body text is small and is usually the longer form content in a design piece. It should rarely go above 12 point. Serifs. Serifs are ornamental flourishes or feet that appear around the extremities of a letter form. Serifs increase readability as body copy and are commonly used in long-form print pieces such as books and magazines. Sans serif. Sans serif typefaces do not have serifs. They have even strokes. These typefaces have high readability from a distance and are often used as display type. How to measure type. Points. Points are the primary form of measurement in design. Points are also used to specify the size of a typeface. X height. X height is the vertical height of a typeface based on its lowercase x. Baseline. Baseline is the imaginary line upon which most letters sit. A baseline can be straight, diagonal, or curved. Ascenders. Ascenders are stems that rise above the x height. Descenders. Descenders are stems that drop below the baseline. Type spacing. Designers adjust the space between letters to change the visual density of a line or block of text. Leading. Leading is the space between lines of text, the vertical space from baseline to baseline. Tracking. Tracking is the space between letters in a word or line of text. Kerning. Kerning is the space between individual letters. Here are some rules to follow when using typography in your designs. Caps versus lowercase. You can use all caps for display type and headlines. Body copy usually works best in down style, not in all caps. Bold, italics, shadows, and underlines. Use these sparingly in design, only to emphasize something that needs to be called out. Reverse text. This is when white type is on a black or dark colored background. It needs to be display type to be readable. Don't reverse body copy. Line length. If a line of text is too long, it tires our eyes. Keep the line length appropriate to your layout. Text alignment. Text can be aligned left, right, center, and justified in designs. Align left is the preferred type of alignment for large bodies of text. Hyphens. When there are too many hyphens, it can create ladders and be hard to read. Orphans. Orphans are a single word that may sit alone at the end of a paragraph of text. Remove hyphens and orphans from your designs as much as possible. By mastering the art of typography, you can effectively communicate your message and create visually engaging designs. Follow Cry Studio to learn more about graphic design. Thanks so much.